Hi, today I'm here with a very special guest. It's gonna be May.
It's gonna be May.
And we're gonna bake again.
Because it's fun and we suck at it.
Christmas is the season, this the season.
Alright. The season to be jolly.
And we're gonna make seasonal muffins.
Muffins.
Let's go! I'm gonna be the main cook today. Because this is my recipe. Kind of, sort of.
So I'm just gonna be your ally and you're gonna tell me what to do. Seems reasonable.
Okay, first 4 eggs into a bowl.
This is a bowl.
That's my
Mama!
dun, dun.
Just kill the man! I thought maybe we could put this on a wreath.
Beans.
Is it smart to have a Christmas tree on top of an oven?
Yeah. Take the hose with jolly mystery. 2 deciliters of sugar. The sugar we're going down swinging. Then we're gonna whisk it.
Vanilla sugar thing.
You put the essence you want to put in it.
Which is lemon for us. How much? Okay, I'm just gonna.
Okay,
Just a
then
little
we
bit.
put in salt, a little bit.
What the? What? Chemical reaction. Chemical reaction, did you?
It's making this noise.
It's going.
Wow, oh wow. Okay.
It's strong.
Okay.
Too lemony.
2 baking powder. Oh. Yeah, you can make a new one. It's okay, everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days.
Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody gets that way. That's right.
Okay, so let's do this again. So melt 100 grams of butter. It's not funny because murder is not funny.
What do you mean murder's not funny? Your ass is not funny, bitch. Don't kiss me. He's taken. I doodle horses in class.
This thing that May's doing is a bit different usually. I usually put 1 deciliter of cocoa powder, but we didn't have any. So that's why we're using lemon juice. Put that thing into this thing. After you've mixed these two, put in melted butter.
I'm a friend with an idiot.
Shut the fuck up. We're done. Don't touch me, you motherfucker.
Rejected.
Oh shit, fuck, shit. There's too much of the mixture.
I know. We put the muffins into the oven. They're there.
They're there.
They're there. They're there.
We're gonna keep them there for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're gonna do the frosting next. Frosty, the frost man is. We're gonna use this thing, translate it. Every season needs their own color, and Christmas season's color is obviously green, obviously red. So we're gonna make it out of.
Yeah, we didn't have time to go to the grocery store.
What are they?
The raspberries.
Raspberries. I knew that.
Hulk smash! Raspberries.
Super mash. Raspberries.
Use common sense again because I have no idea how much we're gonna need this. What the?
Mr. Bean, your hat seems to be a bit too big. Oh, Mr. Bean, your eye is bleeding. 1 is red, 1's gonna be green, and left 1 white.
Because
White, not.
it was a pun. Shut up.
How did this thing? We're not.
We can still save it! We can still save it! We can still save it! Can we save it? Yes, we can! Yes, we can! Save it, save it, save it. There's way too much, but not soon because I'm saving it! Nailed it, bitch!
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
I think we have
And
created...
I have tasted heaven.
I don't need anything else. I can just eat it and leave.
We've created the taste that could end wars. Put the first thing on the muffins and put them in your fridge. We're gonna taste the red ones. So what we have here is a Christmas muffin.
Kind of raw.
My recipe sucks.
Okay, one,
How do
two.
you eat this?
I don't know.
The taste forgives all the mistakes we made. It's good.
I'm gonna take
Eat
a
the
white
paper with the muffin. La 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 la. Thanks for watching. Mabel's here again. This has been Seasonal Kitchen. Timer for 9 minutes.
Here's what I found on the web for just 9 minutes.
Did I ask? Timer for 9 minutes.